how to make money on Twitch. So if you want to make money on Twitch, then what you need to do is first you need to just simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and then search for Twitch. Now, once you first search for Twitch, you will get this kind of interface. Make sure that you've logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can just simply go and create one. Now, after logging in, you need to just simply go with your profile, which will be in the top, and then you will have the subscriptions option. Click on the subscriptions. You can go and enable the channel subscriptions option. One of the main ways to earn income on Twitch. You can also earn bits, a virtual bit purchase by viewers to support your stream. Another great option is the Twitch affiliate program. To qualify, you need to reach 25 followers, stream for at least 4 hours on 4 different days, and have an average of 3 viewers. Once these criteria are met, you can apply to become an affiliate. As an affiliate, you can unlock monetization tools like subscriptions, bids, and even game sales. From here, your Twitch journey as a content creator truly begins. That's how you can start making money on Twitch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.